You're playing wrong. You don't even know it.
हेलो। हाँ हाँ, आ रहा हूँ।
Nah, too soon. Wait. I said too soon.
हाँ हाँ, आ रहा हूँ, अभी जस्ट आ रहा हूँ। या
Wait, what is that?
व्हाट?
The hat. Lose it.
ओके।
ऑल सेट।
एब्सोल्युटली।
डॉक्यूमेंट्स नहीं बोला ना?
ऑफ कोर्स नॉट। विशंबरनाथ ये केस किसी भी हाल में जीत नहीं सकता।
Stop.
ये क्या सीन है भाई? मेरी गाड़ी में किलर बैठा है और मुझे ही नहीं पता।
Maybe you're working with a killer. I'm thinking how realistic this is. How do we kill someone in a car with a witness and still make it a mystery? I'm not feeling this.
हाँ हाँ, आ रहा हूँ, अभी जस्ट आ रहा हूँ। या
ऑल सेट।
एब्सोल्युटली। विशंबरनाथ ये केस किसी भी हाल में जीत नहीं सकता।
ओके, तो 10 बजे कोर्ट जाना है, चलो जाते हैं।
All documents, all the papers on the case, everything is right.
Stop! So, how does it matter if Sunny dies right now? The audience haven't invested in him emotionally. Something doesn't feel right. I feel something is missing.
हाँ हाँ, आ रहा हूँ, अभी जस्ट आ रहा हूँ। या ओह हाय सलोनी,
ओह हाय सनी।
कैसी हो?
आई एम गुड। तुम्हारा आर्टिकल पढ़ा नेशनल हाईवे करप्शन के बारे में। इतना पैसा कोई कैसे चुरा सकता है? कुछ शर्म ही नहीं है लोगों में।
डोंट वरी सलोनी, बहुत जल्दी ये लोग जेल की सलाखों के पीछे होंगे। एनीवे, कोर्ट के लिए देर हो रही है, तो आई विल सी यू लेटर। ओके, चलो बाय।
बाय सनी, बेस्ट ऑफ लक।
ओके, ऑल सेट।
एब्सोल्युटली। विशंबरनाथ ये केस किसी भी हाल में जीत नहीं सकता।
Go on, keep walking, keep walking.
Do you think I should have told Saloni how I felt about her?
No. This is fine.
But I really think she should know.
Look, I said this is fine.
Don't you think it'll make a much bigger impact?
Hold on. Great idea. It'll have a bigger impact if she sees you die. Let's have you wake up 10 minutes earlier this morning.
All set?
Absolutely.
Hey, Saloni.
ओह हाय गाइस, सनी तुम्हारा आर्टिकल पढ़ा नेशनल हाईवे करप्शन के बारे में। इतना पैसा कोई कैसे चुरा सकता है? कुछ शर्म ही नहीं है लोगों में।
डोंट वरी सलोनी, बहुत जल्दी ये लोग जेल की सलाखों के पीछे होंगे। हम लोग इन्हें छोड़ेंगे नहीं।
कोर्ट का वक्त हो रहा है, लेट्स गो।
ओह यस, बाय सलोनी।
बाय गाइस, बेस्ट ऑफ लक।
Now what?
बेचारी सलोनी, उसे कितना सदमा पहुंचेगा मेरी लाश देखकर। Are we sure we want my character to die? मतलब, what about Saloni's future?
Look, Saloni is not your heroine. She is the story's protagonist heroine. You know what? You are dying. Let's have the audience discover what your life meant to the other characters after your death. Why are you stalling?
I'm not stalling. I'm just tying my shoelaces.
We can't stop right now. We need to go. Come on, get moving.
But isn't Saloni supposed to come here right now?
No. Saloni is not coming here right now. She will get here 3 minutes from now, find your dead body, meet the protagonist, and help him find your killer. Go on, keep walking.
I don't want to die.
You have to die. You are the false protagonist. Your death is the inciting event of this story. This forces the protagonist to hunt down your killer. Without your death, there is no story.
If it's so important, why can't you kill someone else? Kill Vicky.
No way.
No, I cannot kill Vicky. He's the comic relief.
Thank you.
Can I ask you something? We are in your imagination, right?
Yes, we are.
And in your head, you have thousands of variations of where the story is going.
I know. It's really hard to arrive at the story I want to tell.
Then how do you know the one you will arrive at is the right one?
The right story is the one that I want to tell at this moment. This is my art. It'll never be complete, only abandoned.
How do you know that? I mean, what if this is not a murder mystery at all? What if this is a love story? What if this is a comedy, where Vicky loses the evidence? There are thousands of stories and they are all the right one. To us, to each one of us who live in your head, our story is the right one and each one of us can be a protagonist. But if you commit us to paper, then it's not just me. All of us will die. We'll live for those 120 minutes. That's it. But if you let us live in your head, then you let us all be protagonists.
Back when we were kids, we would always know when to stop. And all the good kids are missing out. Nobody has gained or accomplished anything.
Oh, hi.
Okay, so here's the thing. I thought about what you said, but I cannot give up on this story. This is the reason I went to film school. This is my Hamlet. This is my King Arthur. This is what keeps me awake at night. This is the story I was born to tell. I cannot not tell it.
But then we all pay the price for that? All of us?
See, what use is 1,000 stories if they lead you nowhere? Let me give you one satisfying story that will rise above all others. And you will all live again every time someone watches this movie. You will all be alive each single time. Not just in my head, but in a million heads. Tell me what you want.
I want the movie to pass the Bechdel test.
Huh? What?
You know, you have to have another female character. We have to have a scene together where we talk about something other than the hero. I don't just want to be a pretty face in your movie.
That would be rather hard.
I want to piece that aha moment. Why can't I provide the clue that solves this mystery? Or, maybe the killer is a girl. Something like Saloni had Sunny killed because, let's say, she was in love with the protagonist. Why can't that be done?
I'm gonna kill all of them.
No.
Okay, then give me a backstory where I've been trained by the KGB, the CIA, and the Mossad.
All three.
Yeah, it was a secret program to find the world's most lethal assassin.
Okay.
And it was me who killed Benazir Bhutto, JFK, and Yasser Arafat.
But Arafat died of a cardiac arrest.
That's what you think.
Okay. I guess we could work with that. How about we have a couple of songs of you in like the Swiss Alps or the Bahamas?
Go on.
I wanna kick his ass.
Fine. Done. I don't know, New York City maybe? Austria?
Oh, and I can turn invisible.
No, come back.
Can we do Paris?
Yeah, sure. We can do that.
Okay, done.
I don't want to have any regrets when I die.
Okay. Done.
When I wake up, well, I know I'm gonna be the man who wakes up next to you. And when I go out, yeah, I know I'm gonna be the man who goes along with you. And when I come home, yeah, I know I'm gonna be the man who's coming home to you. And when I'm dreaming, well, I know I'm gonna dream about the time when I'm with you.
सनी, चाय गरम करनी पड़ेगी.
Sorry, time nahi hai, I have to go.
अरे हाँ, best of luck.
Thanks.
What?
I love you. Always remember that.
I know. I love you too.
And when I go out, yeah, I know I'm gonna be the man who goes along with you. And when I come home, yeah, I know I'm gonna be the man who's coming home to you. And when I'm dreaming, well, I know I'm gonna dream about the time when I'm with you. But I would walk far.
Vishrambarnath ka salam.
Sunny! Sunny!
मेरे दोस्त, ये क्या हो गया? किसने मारा तुझे? बता, मैं उसका खून पी जाऊंगा. गंगा मैया की सौगंध.
साले इसके लिए मारा मुझे? क्या है ये? गंगा मैया की सौगंध? क्या टाइटल है? बुलशिट है ये एकदम. नॉनसेंस. मतलब क्या अक्ल नहीं है क्या तुझे गोल्डन ग्लोब चाहिए, तुझे ऑस्कर चाहिए, केला मिलेगा तेरे को, रास्पबेरी ले. साले हरामी कहाँ जा रहे हैं? वापस आ कुत्ते.
विशंबर सेठ, काम हो गया।
इसे तिजोरी में रखिए
जी
और सुनिए,
जी।
जरा रसोई में जाके हाथ बटाइए,
जी।
प्याज काटिए।